I've never seen another repricer do what I'm just about to show you on this video. Over the last 4 years that I've been making videos on YouTube with other repricers and demos for how those software programs work, and I've also been selling on Amazon since December of 2015, so I've gone through a lot of different software programs. Over this time, I've never seen another software like this repricer that's been able to reprice the products that I'm selling in such a short amount of time while also increasing the profit from one order to the next. Now, over the years, I've actually used Inform.co. It used to be called AppEagle. I've tried other repricers as well. Tried Profit Protector Pro at different points and BQool at different points. And ultimately, I have noticed that a lot of the repricers out there are similar. They've got sometimes different feature sets, such as conditional repricing, and some claim to have artificial intelligence, and some do have artificial intelligence that they use in their repricing. But now, I just recently tested out Aura in my own business. Now, I've done repricing demos for the longest time of, hey, here's how a software works, and here's why it may apply to your business, and you get to choose. I'd never really took the opportunity to test out every different repricing software, and I've been clear about that in my videos. But I recently made a switch from another repricing software to Aura because I have really liked the way, the direction that they are going in their business. And in particular, what I saw in my account during the last 30 days has been pretty crazy. And I'm just going to pull up one example of that, which is I had an order for the exact same product coming from Aura in my seller account on the 20th of June, 2024. You can see these are 6 minutes apart from one another, 5:52 p.m. and 5:58 p.m. This same product sold for $39 in the first example and then $54.49 in the second example. That is a $15.49 difference, and straight to my profit margin, because this product sells thousands of times per month. I have an excellent relationship to be able to have a wholesale account for this product, and there are other sellers that are selling this item on this listing with me, and almost all of them are selling it at this $39 price point. However, in just 6 minutes, Aura was able to reprice me from $39 to $54.49 and get me sales. And this isn't the only example of this. It's done it multiple times over and over again. And so it's really cool to me to be able to see what is working with Aura versus some of the other repricing software programs that I've experienced up until this point. That doesn't mean that the other programs aren't as good, and I still recommend Profit Protector Pro and BQool and SellerSnap, depending on the use cases for the business model that you're running and what type of programs that you like to use. They have very good use cases, different price points, and all these other things. But what I've seen with Aura is that because of their AI repricing strategies and because of their hyperdrive ability to reprice as quickly as Amazon will possibly allow, that it's allowed my products to be able to be repriced very quickly and then sell for a much higher profit in a lot of instances. Now, in some cases, it has to go and reprice it back down. You know, this doesn't mean that this product is always selling now at $54.49 like I showed just a minute ago. It's gone back down to $39 at times and $44 at times, but it is repricing in as real of time as a repricer can get to it. And so I have really enjoyed using Aura. If that changes in the future, I will definitely let people know that, hey, this is something that you should look at, a different software or whatever it might be. But looking at what Aura has been able to do, I've really appreciated it. And the reason I appreciate it is because I know, as I've talked with the founder or one of the co-founders of Aura, that they have a heart for new sellers, just like I do. We have a heart to make sure that people that are getting into the Amazon space can be set up with the best software programs possible while also being able to grow and scale with those software programs. Instead of having a software that's here for you from 0 to 10K, and then you got to switch from 10K to 40K, and then once you're over 40K, then you upgrade to this software. No, we don't want that. And so what I really like with Aura is that they've been able to come out and make an early stage program for their advanced repricer. So if you're under 10K per month, you can get started for just $27 per month for the first year of your Aura subscription. And that is an amazing program. And if you go over 10K per month in that year, then you naturally will be bumped up into their next tier because you're outside of that early stage program. But for anybody that's more experienced, you're also able to get a very high performing repricer for under $97 per month, depending on what plan that you're on. And so for me, I have really enjoyed testing out Aura. I really recommend Aura, especially if you're a new seller looking to get started with an advanced repricer that has new repricer pricing for you at the $27 per month. Now, as somebody that has been doing this for a long time, software comes and goes. Software can change. Aura Aura has been around for a long time, just like BQool has been around for a long time, just like a lot of other software programs have been around for a long time. But we do see a lot of changes in the Amazon and e-commerce landscape because different software companies have different feature sets, and certain rules change or things change with Amazon, and then one software gets elevated above another. But if you're interested in checking out Aura, whether you're an early stage seller or you're a more experienced seller that just wants to try out their free trial, head over to askjimmysmith.com/early stage. That will give you the ability to check them out if you're interested. Also, I've got links to any of the other videos that you'd like to see for the repricing demos that I have done on this channel. You can check those out on my channel if you're interested in just seeing the difference between all of these software programs that I've seen a lot of people use over the years. But if you're interested in checking out Aura, I love what I've been seeing in my own account. So hopefully it's something that can help you as well. I hope you have a great rest of your day and a blessed rest of your week.